So we're in Bournemouth. No, actually we're in Poole. Oh, we're in Poole. So we're here visiting our cousin who, fun fact, we haven't seen in 10 years because, well, why? Because we're Syrian. She used to live there and then she lived here in the UK. So the video you see now, and then you insert the video, that was a reunion of like 10 years, and it's just like memories of like not seeing a person for so long. I'm just gonna keep pulling me into frame. Yeah. And all the emotions flooded back. Like, I saw her first, she looks exactly the same. Having cousins is very important to us because we live in a state where we kind of live by ourselves. And moral of the story is you leave somebody for 10 years, right? And you don't see them for 10 years, and it's as if you left them yesterday and you're like, everything is normal, and you cry because you're like, I like was away from you for 10 years, and like we're so as if there's no time that's passed between us. But so much has passed. No matter what you do, you can't bring that time back. Yeah. Take advantage of the time you have with your family because you never know if they could, when they could, be taken away from you. So really count your blessings. You know something? Huh? We're recording this next to a busy street. Yeah? That was a dumb idea. No, really? Okay.
لا الحمد لله مش ما في فرق كتير بالتوقيت بس احنا وصلنا يوم
We talk different, don't we talk? Where are we from?
أول يوم وصلنا
America, but where in America? Like there's a lot of states in America, a lot of places. Like, are you from London?
امبارح نص النهار مثل بعد هلا الساعة 6 بعدين
I'm from Syria too. Because we're from Syria. I'm from California. You know Los Angeles. Do you know that place? Where the movies are made, where Disneyland is, where the princesses live. That's where I'm from. Do you know it or no?
صار عم يطول النهار شوي.
We've arrived in Bournemouth, and it's such a nice city. Love it. Water looks like water anywhere you go. Yeah, but it's a different beach.
No, it looks different by the way.
Yeah. So tell me about Bournemouth.
I don't know, it's a seaside city? Town?
Town.
It's like more like a town, yeah. It's really nice. It's like you don't go to England and say I've been to the UK or I've been to England and you've only been to London. You can't say you've been to America if you went to Los Angeles.
Every town, city, area I think has its charm. Look how magical it is.
Yeah.